Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change engine oil in a BMW 1 Series. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter removal tool, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 6½ liters, and a new filter. Park your car on a level surface and let the engine cool down. Then, safely raise the vehicle using a jack and secure it with sturdy jack stands. Now, let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old engine oil to flow out completely into the pan. This process might take several minutes, so be patient and ensure every drop is collected before moving on. Next, it's time to replace the oil filter. Find the oil filter housing, which is often located near the top of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove the old filter element. Clean the housing area thoroughly. Lubricate the new filter's O-ring with a little fresh oil, then install the new filter, tightening it to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications for a secure fit. Finally, let's add the new oil. First, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely to prevent any leaks. Locate the oil filler cap on your engine and remove it. Slowly pour the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 6½ liters, into the filler opening. Check the oil level using the dipstick, start the engine briefly, and then recheck the level, topping up if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.